I'm happy to share with you the coolest Christmas lights from Twinkly. You can easily operate these smart Christmas lights with your phone or tablet. Via your own app, you can control each of the lights separately from your seat. The beautiful light strings contains millions of LED lights, each with its own chip. We also bought the Twinkly music dongle. You can tune your Twinkly lights to your Christmas music or any music you like by synchronizing it with it, or you can also sing with it. All the effects are available through the app.
Not so bright twinkle. Fireworks.
Fireworks is nice.
Yeah.
What is this? Still fireworks?
Yeah. Candy cane.
Candy cane. Oh, that's a candy cane. What I like about this, it's very easy to control, very easy to install, and you can also edit the predefined effects or animation and colors to your liking.
Horizontal flag.
Horizontal flag.
Vertical.
The waves is nice. Peachy is also nice. So let me try to sing.
You have to be here.
So the effects. Can you sing, Marco?
Nice.
Can you sing? Whoa.
Rainbow stripes. Tiada lagi yang ku harapkan. Tiada lagi yang ku
I like this one.
impikan. Okay, there we go.
Is that the last one?
No.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells.
Rasta.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.